What's up, y'all? Welcome back to A Life with Jeremiah. And today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, the Galaxy Watch 4, and the Galaxy Buds 2. So I'm going to be unboxing these, and I'm going to be telling you which one of these is better for you to buy if you're interested in Samsung products. All right, so first, let's unbox the watch. Now, if you're a normal purchaser of Apple and Samsung products, you already know in the box you're not gonna get a. So I'm trying to do this from behind the camera, so bear with me. So look at that, that's your watch. I got the black one. So ain't no use of me just throwing stuff out of my boxes. I just put them back for dramatic effect, honestly, because y'all already know how to open this already. All right, next, Z Flip 3. Got the cream version. So inside you only get your cable. If you don't know that, now you know. Beautiful. All right. Galaxy Buds 2. Again, I'm doing this from behind the camera, trying to make sure everything is set up, and trying to open stuff, so bear with me. Now, I actually like this case, but what I noticed is inside the buds are black, which that was interesting to me. I thought they would match the outside. But these actually sound pretty good. I still like my Galaxy Buds Pro better. All right, so I'm trying not to make no big mess. I'll clean all that up in a minute. All right, and now, big boy, Galaxy Z Fold 3. All right. Now, Samsung, y'all got to cut this shit out with not putting nothing in the box, like, especially for this one. Now, with the Z Flip 3, y'all probably can get away with it. $9.99. Apple doing the same thing with their phones. Cool. This one right here, though, like, this should have came with a free case. It should have came with the charger in the box. And maybe a few more accessories because, again, this is premium pricing. So, again, you shouldn't be charging anywhere past $1,400 and not putting something else in the box that goes for all cell phone makers or whatever produce in it, whatever. Y'all get what I'm saying? But look at that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna talk about which one of these you should buy. Let's get all that kind of out the way or whatever. Let me move this right here. And I'll put the watch right here too, because this watch is actually a good watch. If you have the Galaxy Watch 3, there's no real need to upgrade, but I do like the OS on this one a little bit better. But let's talk about the phones. With the Z Flip 3, it has a lighter feel, so if you're the type of person that, like to put their phones in their shirt pockets, wear tighter jeans or whatever, like ladies, you might like this phone. So again, this is a pocketable phone. It's real durable. It's water resistant now. So if you're watching this video, 9 times out of 10, you may have seen a spec video. So I'm not about to go through processing power and like major camera stuff and all that. Cause like I said, if you're a techie, you already pretty much know all this. But again, I kind of give you the basics. It's water resistant now, so you can put it in water. Same for the Z Fold 3. Cameras on it, on both actually, are from like a year and a half, 2 years ago. So the cameras aren't gonna beat the iPhone or the S21 Ultra. So just keep that in mind when you buy these phones. You're not buying these phones to be the best at nothing but folding. Like, you'll be the best at folding. Other phones have high refresh rates. Other phones have, water resistance and everything like that. But no other phone folds better and stays like this or like this. No phone does this, but these two. So that's what you're actually buying. Now, as far as the differences with the Z Fold 3 is the screen. If you're buying this phone, you're basically buying a tablet. You're buying a phablet, basically, a real phablet. Now, back in the days, the Note line used to be the phablet, but now this is the new phablet. Yep, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about it right after this. All right, y'all. so back to the differences between these two and which one you should buy. With the Fold, this is not your everyday phone typically for the average person. And I'm gonna tell you why. Most times people don't open their phones, and you're not gonna use your phone 24/7 like this. It can't fit in your pocket, of course. So you're not gonna use your phone 24/7 like this. But because of this display, because of the high refresh rate, because like everything, like with this phone being open, like multiple apps being used at the same time, I'm not gonna open none of my apps. I don't know what's gonna pop up on whatever, but you'll love this phone. But again, it's not for the average person because it's a little bit heavy. The Z Flip 3 is lighter by far. So again, it's more pocketable, like I said before. Besides the weight, this one is gonna have the better camera system. So if you're into cameras, you're probably gonna wanna go with the Z Fold 3. But again, if you're a person that's don't like heavy phones, you put your phone in your back pocket, stuff like that, the Z Fold 3 is not for you. That's where you wanna go with the Z Flip 3. Now, actually this year, the Z Flip 3 surprised me. I did pull that little plastic screen off of mine already, but I don't know if my camera gonna do it justice, and it's still a little dirty. Let me wipe it down real quick and close out anything. Without opening anything else up. All right, so a little Batman logo. All right, but display on this one is a lot better than the Z Flip 2 Z Flip 5G, which basically is the Z Flip 2. This phone here, now, if you have the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or, well, nothing else is better than that, but if you have the Z Fold 2, S21 Ultra, now it's coming to me, or Note 20 Ultra, you're probably not gonna wanna upgrade to this phone unless you just want to be part of the folding phone game. This phone here is not better than either of those phones. The S21 Ultra has a better camera, has a sharper display. Same thing with the Note. You get the S Pen in the phone versus separately. So I do have this little case right here with the pen that comes with it. Now this case, the only thing I really hate about this case is it flaps like when it's open. I can't stand a case like that. That's why I never really do wallet cases. But back on topic, again, the Z Fold 2, if you had it, you don't want to upgrade to the Z Fold 3 because again, they didn't really change anything. Screen, same. The only thing you're getting different is 120 refresh rate, which if you're not familiar with what that is, you basically be scrolling faster on your phone, but on the front screen rather. But besides that, that phone is pretty much the same. If you've seen my Z Fold 2 rant, you understand what I'm talking about. It's the video pretty much about tech right before this one. So basically that's it. I don't really have too much to say. I'm kind of just free falling this. If you have anything that you want to know about the phones or you just tuning in, again, I know you already know about the specs of this video coming across your feed, but if you want to know something specific, please ask and feel free. My channel is probably going to be a mix of Flossie Carter and your average consumer because, again, I'm not putting my face in a whole lot of phone videos. But, again, if you've seen other videos on my channel, they're more vlog related and stuff about my life. So, and if you watch the average consumer or Flossie Carter, they kind of like, Flossie Carter kind of had this same style with the phones. Your average consumer, like he does tech, but he kind of puts a little bit of his life on camera, a little bit. So that's kind of like what I'm trying to get to, so to speak. Other than that, again, hope y'all have a blessed day. Continue to sub, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Deuces.
Essence, born with less, but you still precious. Just smell foam in there.